Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Delissime. For today's video, we are diving into a full soak off with my day one client, Miss Rochelle. I am so excited to walk you guys through what it looks like when you have life after acrylics, okay? I feel like there is this myth out there that having acrylics or wearing acrylics is bad for your nails. But after you guys watch this video, you guys will have to let me know down in the comments if you think that is true or not. Now, another very exciting announcement is that tomorrow is my birthday. Yes, I am a Taurus, a May baby. Delissime is also where I got a part of my name. So a little bit of lore for you guys. Backstory about my very, very unique name. So my dad's name is Delon. So we put D-E-L in front of Melissa. And then I was born in May. So Delissime is how we came up with my name. Now, yes, it's very unique. It's very different. And if you can't tell, I am very unique and very different. Before we dive into life after acrylics, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you are joining back, thank you so much. You guys really blew up my last long form video, and I was so excited just reading all of your comments, being able to respond to you guys, and I just really appreciate all of the love and the support. So thank you. I am absolutely so grateful. And, on this little vacation, this time that I'm taking for myself, I'm really hoping to just, record a bunch of backlog videos for you guys so that I can just be able to continue supporting this channel with the content that I create. Now, I am also going to be recording a birthday vlog. So if that birthday vlog is something you're interested in, you can actually subscribe to my Patreon, which is $2.99 a month, which is kind of crazy. So I'm thinking of adding, like less nail content on my Patreon so that you guys can get to know me a little bit more. So without further ado, we're going to dive into life after acrylics. And I'm so excited for this video because you guys, the growth, the absolute growth. This is Rochelle, and this is the last set that she had on with her full acrylics. You can see that her nails are so long, and I absolutely loved this set. Now, we soaked for about 30 minutes on each hand, and I'm just using this tool to gently, very gently remove the product that's on her nails. It is so easy to remove. One thing that you want to avoid while going to the salon is the MMA. Being able to gently rub off the product just shows that we're using the correct product. I don't know how many more times I can say product. We soaked her nails for about 30 minutes in some acetone, and then I will also leave a photo up on the screen of the acrylic powder and monomer that I use. So this is me just showing off her beautiful nails, and after we nicely filed and buffed them, we can see the absolute stunning nail growth. You guys, I'm trying to keep it cool, calm, and collect as I'm doing this voiceover, but they are beautiful. Please sound off in the comments if you had good luck with acrylic sets. I'm so curious. So here I am just flashing on the screen. I've got my nail dehydrator as well as my nail primer. And I went a little bit heavy-handed with the gelish foundation just to make sure that I give her natural nails enough strength. So we put on a nice thin layer of base coat, and now I am going in with the Model 1's Builder Gel. Now, this is my very first time using Builder Gel, so please be nice in the comments. I know that I should have probably grabbed a lot more product before even trying to drag it down. So here's my second attempt of doing what I tried doing or seeing in the videos, and I feel like that bead was a little bit better. Shout out to Rochelle for being able to record the nail art portion. Before we get into the nail art, I am just grabbing a very thin, small liner brush, making sure that I grab every surface of that nail. Because remember, these are her natural nails, so we want to make sure that as we're putting the builder gel on it, it is covering the entire surface because we want to make sure that the nail is strong and it's got structure. So this is just me making sure that everything is looking even. And we also have a sponsor for this video as well. We are actually using the brand Maniology. So Maniology, they are so well known for their stamps, and that is what we're going to actually be doing on our next step here. We have our stamps and our polish ready. So we are going to do a nice thin layer across our little stamping sheet. And then we're going to go in with the little scraper and remove the excess polish. And I normally like to wipe it off. And then we've got our little sponge that we're going to do a little dab, and then placing this beautiful tree design right onto the nail plate. Now, I love Maniology products because they are so easy to work with, and being able to clean up the sides and making sure that everything looks perfect is so easy. So if you guys are interested, I will leave my link and information down below. So this is the builder gel. What do you think about the natural nail growth? For me, it's such a beautiful sight to see that my clients' natural nails are still growing with the fierceness. Now, after we soaked off the product on her nails, you can see how beautiful, how unrealistic those natural nails look. But for me, as a licensed nail technician, like that is my ultimate goal. My goal is to be able to have my clients rock their natural nail or at least grow out their natural nail. So if they wanted to do a nice acrylic overlay, we can do that. I am excited. If you guys learned something new, like acrylics aren't necessarily horrible for your nails, leave a like, leave a comment down below if you didn't know that wearing acrylics isn't going to damage your natural nail. Go ahead, let me know down in the comments. Sound off down in the comments, because my day one Miss Girl Rochelle is living proof of that. So thank you so much, you guys, for joining me for today's video. We will see you for another one soon. I'm sure I will be posting my birthday vlog on my Patreon. So if you guys want to go ahead and get an early start, go ahead. The Patreon is only $2.99, and you'll also be able to find that down below. So we'll see you for another one. Bye.